குட் மார்னிங். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ குருவே துணை, திருநீலியம்மன் துணை, ஓம் ஸ்ரீ வீரசாந்த மகாகாளி துணை. விர்கோ லக்னம் பாவ பெனிஃபிட்ஸ். Virgo house is the first sign. A bhava that provokes enmity, uproar, lawsuit, beating, court case, etc. A bhava that creates competitive jealousy. A bhava that creates challenges and brings great success. If one overcomes that gracefully, a bhava that can make enemies, a bhava that lends money and will be good at talking about business, dealing with a crowd, taking lessons from them, reconciliations between the two parties. In these situations, they have very tactful handling skills. Eloquence is also adapted. This is a general skill. Proper use of this talent will give them a great success. Gemini is the 10th house for Virgo Lagna. It is the third sign for time god. Third bhava has a lot of communication skills, making a lot of friends, developing habits for maintaining friendship with people and improving relationships. They are not careless in this matter but a little patronizing. If they are intelligent and shared, their career will always go to the next level. The worst thing about this is that they are their own enemies and they don't like themselves and they think that no one likes them. They think that others look at them as competitors and envy them, and that others criticize him, and this will too. Inferiority will always remain with him. It is bad that he has inferiority complex. If you take a good thing ignoring negative, then they will be successful. Libra house is the second sign. As much as Libra comes to our accident is a bhava, ascendant bhava, the seventh house will work through it. Mangalya Sthanam, Vagrasthanam, income are the second bhava. Mother's elder brother, father's mother uncle, mother's friends are all second bhava. Through them, Kalathiran will be established. Whatever way they try to earn income, they will get a lot of experience about the outer world through that contact people. It may or may not help the relationships involved at the moment, but they will get great connections. Human communications should be handled as carefully as a telephone directory. If there is no support from Libra, they will lose people contact. He should be very careful with his speaking skills. Through it, you will get friendly influence with the outside world. This will also help their lineage. Earning money is not an only asset. Public contacts earned is the biggest asset. Knowledge is the biggest asset. Many problems can be fixed by this movement of Libra. It is easy to finish the matter which cannot be completed easily by the second bhava connections. It needs the help of Libra bhava. Scorpio house is the third sign. A house where punishment for mistakes committed in past lives can be shown as seed. The third sign for them is younger brother, father-in-law, close friends, telephone friends, internet, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter contacts who are in telecommunications and many more. Don't share about your short trips details, bank account details, Aadhaar details and other online related information to others. If you are careful and honest about this bhava, you can act. Otherwise, you should not act. Karmic action done in past life will throw you into the abyss. Regarding the third place, be careful and be truthful. Be wary of short distance travel, which might make you do something blindly on behalf of a third place. Sagittarius house is the fourth sign. This house of called Sagittarius is the house of Dharma. Higher education, long distance travel, foreign travel, higher wisdom, higher maturity, the way to go to the next level in life. While learning arts, they will be mocked, shamed, and stoned only through undergoing this that can achieve. Ninth Bhava can be touched only by crossing the hurdles of eighth Bhava. Sagittarius is the Bhava of wisdom that can help us travel from the sixth sense to the seventh. The Sagittarius Bhava movement begins when we develop our wisdom through research and study. The fourth Bhava is mother, relative, house, land, vehicle, property, pleasure, trick, and study. Whenever the fourth Bhava is touched, the Sagittarius Bhava will be activated. Bhagya place means that anything we need will find us without looking for it. By it, one gets superior wisdom and fortune. All the rewards of the ninth bhava are available to them through the fourth bhava. They do not know about their skills before going to college, but once they go there and start studying, their fortune starts there. They will attain the state of spiritual wisdom and fortune. Till then, they don't know what spiritual strength they have. They don't know what destiny has for them. Good or bad, it becomes visible only when the fourth sign is activated. The fourth bhava should be operated honestly, reading books, honestly learning tricks from guru, and acting honestly brings luck. This bhava has Rahu's curse. Maternal family has Rahu curse. There is Cancer is the maternal family. There are two or more marriages going on in the matrilineal family. There would have been an incident of death in mother way family, accident, suicide, even asthma, wheezing, DB, respiratory related disorders. Capricorn house is the fifth sign. Capricorn is the 10th house. It is Bhava that can means karma. Bhava that can mean duty, a profession, a sense of responsibility. The Capricorn can make us feel that whether we like or dislike something, we have to do it for duty. Capricorn is a bad person who can absorb too much physical work. Through this Capricorn movement, our business will rise more smoothly whenever this Virgo Lagna directs the fifth bhava and engages themselves honestly. Then this bhava of occupations becomes strong and satisfied. Fifth bhava represents native property, sports, physical exercise, interest, desire, astrology, art, science, and research. Creative works are related to fifth bhava. When they involve themselves in fifth bhava, the business circle will increase. Without their knowledge, the business matter will develop and it will grow to a great extent. Student can mark 4 bhava. Temporary students represents 4th bhava. The 5th bhava for permanent students. The 5th bhava students will be disciple till the end. Disappointment in business related to speculative income. Clarifying others without loss in speculative businesses will help their career to grow smoothly. Teaching work can be done as a profession. Those who give advice, their career will grow and their name and fame will grow. The matter of the fifth bhava will make them work harder. But if they enjoy the hard work, their business will grow smoothly. The burdens of the fifth bhava are heavy, knowingly or unknowingly. It is a cosmic secret. Workload is heavy with their children. In the fifth bhava, the more we guide a friend of a friend and grandfather, the more than professions will improve. Aquarius house is the sixth sign. The sixth bhava will be strengthened by helping others to find a good way by being aware of their knowledge. Study competitive arguments depending on their knowledge, examination, panchayat related first litigation, credit, health, court, case, public service, competitive exams, and medicine. The sixth bhava will be strengthened by teaching the tricks he knows to others through teaching, donating tricks, teaching his tricks as a profession. One should not get into trouble by giving loans. How to get a loan from a bank? Which bank do buy at a low interest rate? How not to be deceived in the matter of credit? How not to get into trouble in economic matters? How not to get into some other trouble? By imparting this kind of wisdom to others, this bhava will expand. Aquarius bhava can be developed through the contracts available through the maternal uncle. Assets which can be achieved through multidisciplinary teams must utilize these team members properly. Pisces house is the seventh sign. The family which comes in through marriage, their family structure, their economic status, their lamenting about family matters, husband wife family spend excessively wasting money, spend too much on medical treatment, spend unnecessarily on medical treatment, often spend auspiciously and accumulate things. They do not pay for the house. They pay immediately if it is their own bond are all related to this bhava. For others, they spend lavishly but fall short of their own basic needs due to spending on outsiders like this. The money based economic management at home is often undermined. When it comes to money, they immediately think of medical expenses and don't remember to save money. Their mind will be always thinking high is spending a lot. There are people who belongs to Virgo Lagna, and these are the common complaints that husband wife can make about in family. Note this, Pisces is a place where spending frugally can be normal. It is through them that the husband wife family will continue to pay the expenses and the medical expenses. The husband wife family complaints related to this boring criticisms often remain with these lagana that they do not manage money properly. This is a phenomenon that can be caused by this bhava. Pisces this bhava can be said about foreign life, foreign opportunity, employment, career, trade across sea, export and import. What we can do will we will store a lot of information carefully in the matter of business, job and zone, so on, and we will investigate that information. Pieces is a treasure trove of information about foreign country. The amount of awareness involved will be high. What are the career opportunities in which countries? Business opportunity, job, living station, which profession will be a good career. In terms of education, it is good to go to any country as well as knowledge, experience and awareness related to foreign countries, medical sector. What is the best medicine for what disease is allopathy, homeo, Unani and Ayurveda. To save the economy, this sign refers what kind of medicine for what disease need to be addressed and all related matter including medical insurance. Where is the quality of medicine at low cost? Where is the surgery done at low cost with quality doctors? This Baba holds so much information in itself. All these things are important needs of man. This treasure trove of information is available through the seventh bhava. Connections through husband, wife, mother, our opponent. In the seventh bhava, business partner is the buyer when we sell our place. A person who sells a product to us and thus needs us as an opponent in the outside world in our society is the seventh bhava. The advantage of this is that many people come in the seventh bhava. No matter who comes as an opponent, knowledge related to medical field, knowledge related to foreign life, knowledge related to government, awareness related to income tax, awareness related to sea crossing, export import, awareness related to the house of pieces. No matter who comes as husband wife, no matter what relationship they come in their heritage, they will have a combination of stars related to sun karma. Taurus house is the ninth sign. Foreign travel, higher education, research, teaching, long-term research, father's profession, long distance travel, people who travel a lot, all these are related to ninth house. If they earn income by going abroad, they will have a good growth. The spiritual occupations, reciting the scriptures, worshippers, precepts who pray mantras, preachers, income related to this work, these people will gain power and merit through spiritual work. Gemini house is the 10th sign. They should not talk about their professional matters or mother-in-law's matters. Business related problem should not be disclosed. This will lead to suicidal ideation. Don't talk about bad things in public, talk about good things. Cancer house is the 11th sign. Elder brother, stepfather, elder nephew, elder niece, society, group, social association, friendship circle, profit, gain through business are all in the 11th bhava. The occurrence of the 5th house, desire and its fulfillment is related to 11th bhava. All of this 11th bhava is to take advantage of the unstable gifts when the opportunity arises to fulfill the desire. Fixing amenities, consulting a crowd, building a team, coordinating a group, handling a large crowd at any location. These are the talents of this science. Easy to make friends. All these are good. If handled professionally, name and fame will come to them. Neglecting the 11th bhava will not get in later. Leo house is the 12th sign. Ayana Sayana Boham house preparation of medicine depending on food, proper accounting of expenditure are all 12th bhava. Medicine and expenditure will be given importance by them. That's all. Thank you.